Hello students, this is our chapter Biotechnology and its applications. Today we'll study about insect resistance in transgenic plants and RNA interference. This slide is showing the pictures of normal rice and genetically modified golden rice. Then normal cotton and genetically modified cotton and same normal corn and genetically modified corn. I have discussed earlier pest-resistant plants in previous lecture. Pest-resistant plants are developed to reduce the use of pesticides, which the example Bt cotton I have told you earlier. Bt toxin is produced by Bacillus thuringiensis. This is the picture of bacterium you can see in the slide due to the presence of Bt toxin gene. Bt toxin gene of bacteria in transfer made to express to provide resistance to the cotton. This soil bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis produce crystal proteins called cryoproteins. It is toxic to larvae of insects like tobacco budworm, cotton bollworms, armyworm, beetles and mosquitoes etc. The cryoproteins exist as inactive protoxin. It gets converted into active toxin when ingested by insect as the alkaline pH of gut solubilizes the crystals. The activated toxin binds to the surface of epithelial cells of midgut and creates spores. This causes swelling and lysis of cells leading to death of the insect. Insect means larvae. The genes, cryogenes, you can see that these are written in the small letters. Encoding this protein are isolated from the bacterium and incorporated into several crop plants like cotton, tomato, corn, rice and soybean etc. The proteins encoded by following cry genes control the pest given against them. So cry1AC and cry2AB control cotton bollworms. So this is very important. You have to learn these genes properly. Exams में अगर आएंगे तो आपको confuse नहीं होना है that what gene is going to control corn and what genes are going to control for cotton. And cry3AB controls Coledoredo potato beetle and cry3AB controls corn rootworm. This slide is protection against nematodes. Many nematodes, roundworms, live in plants and animals including human beings. A nematode, Melidogyne incognitia, infects the roots of tobacco plants and causes a great reduction in yield. A novel strategy was coined by Fire and Mello in 1998 to prevent this infestation that was based on the process of RNA interference. RNA interference takes place in all eukaryotic organisms as a method of cellular defense. This method involves silencing of a specific messenger RNA. Using agrobacterium vectors, nematode-specific genes are introduced into the host plant, means tobacco plant. The introduction of DNA was such that it produced both sense and antisense RNA in the host cells. These two RNAs, being complementary to each other, formed a double-stranded RNA, means double-stranded RNA that initiated RNA interference. When nematode infects the plant, introduction of nematode genome takes place and presence of double-stranded RNA silence specific messenger RNA of nematode, initiation of RNA interference takes place. Parasite will not be able to survive in host which express interfering RNA means RNA interference. Transgenic plant resistant and protection from parasite takes place. So when messenger RNA of parasite is destroyed, no protein will be synthesized. It results in the death of parasite in the transgenic host. Thus the transgenic plant got itself protected from the parasite. In this slide you can see the roots of tobacco plants and nematode Melidogyne incognitia, that is roundworm, and development of nematode resistance through RNA interference can be shown. For in first slide you can see roots of infected plant And in second diagram slide, you can see roots of a transgenic plant even after deliberate infection of nematode.